Western Australia is a massive country. It is Australia's largest state, covering a third of the country. Despite being the state capital, Perth has a population of less than 2 million people and is considered one of Australia's most attractive cities. Perth is known for being the world's most remote city, with Adelaide, its nearest neighbour, being nearly 2,000 kilometers away. Don't let this discourage you though. There are so many people enjoying Perth that you won't want to leave once you experience its genuine beauty. If you're searching for a friendly, laid-back lifestyle with a dash of metropolitan life, this is the place you wanna visit. Perth has undergone significant transformations during its history. It is now a thriving cosmopolitan metropolis with a decent combination of nature and places to get away from the hustle and bustle of the city. Even if you had a month to spend in Perth, you'll never have trouble deciding what to do. If you're visiting Perth for the first time, go sightseeing and take a step back in time to learn about the city and the people who live here. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Perth offers everything you'll need for a fantastic vacation. 3,000 hours of sunshine a year, friendly residents, historic sites and laid-back outdoor dining with world-class cuisine and wines. Perth has a lot to offer in terms of sights and activities. Enjoy an open-top bus tour to Kings Park for spectacular views over the city and then jump off and walk amongst the treetops or stop for a picnic. Watch gold pouring at the Perth Mint or marvel at one of the world's largest musical instruments at the Bell Tower. Shop at one of the numerous arcades or boutiques, take a wine cruise on the gorgeous Swan River, board the Transperth ferry to the Perth Zoo to witness over 1,500 kinds of animals, or take a seawide tour to explore Perth in a slightly different way. Restaurants, pubs, bars, night markets, cafes, art galleries, theaters and exhibits abound in Perth. The city is also bordered by a number of urban towns, including Subiaco, Leederville and Mount Lawley, each with its own distinct inner city vibe. After experiencing Perth City, consider a day or longer journey to Fremantle's historic port town, Rottnest Island's turquoise bays, or the Swan Valley and Perth Hills' verdant valleys, full with world-class vineyards, all within 45 minutes. Trick Beach is a prominent surfing spot in Perth, providing a regular break for surfers. Locals love the long, soft, white sand beach and grassed reserve to the north, which has plenty of room for guests. In the summer, dolphins are occasionally observed at Trick Beach, making it a popular place for bird watching and fishing.